Down.
I don't know who you are.
Explain to us the law.
Get a drug out of here in a minute.
Hey y'all, Uncle Paul here. Go watch the whole video, both parts, and come back. See how that officer only makes things worse? His very presence just makes things worse. Why is he threatening to drag her? Because she dared to know the law. And in the South, if you're racist and you're hiding behind a badge and a uniform, and you see a person of color that knows the law, you've got to put them in their place. That's exactly what he's doing. He is racist AF. Tropical Smoothie Cafe needs to answer to why they called the cops on these women. They wanted this to happen because this happens every day in this country, multiple times a day. So when you have these white business owners calling the cops on folks of color, they know exactly what they're doing. They need to stop playing and start telling the truth. When you call the cops on black people, you're expecting that the black people are going to get hurt. Because time and again, that's what happens. So don't give me this bullshit about, oh, we're just protecting our private property. It's bullshit. You know exactly what you're doing when you call 911 on a black person. I said what I said.